software engineers are unemployed is a myth because the technology is growing at the speed of light and every top MNC is looking for experts in the respective field. So if you are someone who is studying in engineering first year and software career is your dream, then you need to have a strategy to reach to your goal. I am going to conduct a webinar. There I'll be sharing how you can start your coding journey. What should be your first step? How you should plan? What are the different courses you have to learn? And first of all, you need to build your foundation so strong so that any new programming language may come, you will be easy to adapt that. Why? Because programming languages may come and go, but the logic will remain the same. So click the link below and register for my upcoming webinar, and I'll see you there.